Google to buy cybersecurity firm Mandiant for $5.4 billion. Good Lord. $5.4 billion for a company I've never heard of.
Yeah.
Goes to show you how enormous.
There's cybersecurity.
How enormous companies like Google are, that they can casually chuck $5 billion.
It's a huge, huge purchase from them.
Maximize security effectiveness with unparalleled expertise. Apply the unmatched experience and knowledge of leading threat researchers, reverse engineers, intelligence analysts, and incident responders who have been defending organizations of all sizes from the front lines of cyber conflict since 2004. This website is so military.
Yeah, it screams security to me. And look at this picture.
Yeah, the fonts and the red and black.
Yeah.
It's so severe. It's like, damn, I need these guys. I'm getting attacked.
You know what? I'm just reading up there. It says Google Cloud, and we just covered this story where
the Spotify and Discord.
Yeah. So you think this is related?
Sure, it is. Yeah,
They move quick.
Oh my! Look at this special briefing. Ukraine Crisis Resource Center. Well, it's the information warfare, man, isn't it?
Right. Yeah.
Increasingly, and you need the inside scoop. The deal reflects the rise of cloud computing comes with increased cybersecurity needs, which is why Microsoft was also interested in buying Mandiant, a company that recently generated headlines for uncovering the SolarWinds hack. The $23 per share price represents around a 53% premium to where Mandiant traded before the first reports of Microsoft's interest, and an 18.7% premium to where shares opened Monday. So it started with, I guess, a Microsoft pursuit, and then all of a sudden Google got in the mix, and they're like, nope, we're going to take it instead. I have to also wonder if this has to do with recent conflicts, with global conflicts, Ukraine, Russia.
Yeah, we were talking. A lot of people are now adjusting their views on security and protection. Looks like Google's making a big move, a $5.4 billion move.
Yeah, that's a big investment, no doubt.